Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram on your Android mobile. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. So guys, actually I have three methods to solve this problem. Hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. For the first method, open up Play Store and type here Instagram. If any update available here, then up to date this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the second one. For that, open up setting app here and scroll it down. Here you can see app management, so tap it. After that, type on app settings and search here for Instagram. Yep, here it is. And then type on storage and cache. And then type on clear cache and clear storage. And then type on OK and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the third and final one. For that, open up any browser in your phone, type in search bar Instagram, and then type on first link, and then type on login, and give your username or password here, and log in your account for 10 or 20 minutes here, and go back and open up Instagram app here. As you can see, it's working now. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is gonna help, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.